The Sixth Street Viaduct Replacement for the City of Los Angeles Bureau of Engineering was the largest and most complex bridge project in LA history. As a replacement for the beloved 1932 bridge, the team created a multimodal iconic structure that captures the hearts of the community and ensures greater public safety through seismic resilience. The viaduct is 40 feet wider than its predecessor and has 4 vehicular lanes, protected 10-foot wide Class 4 bike lanes, and 8 to 14-foot wide pedestrian walkways. It also features 5 sets of stairs and 2 bike ramps that provide safe, direct passage from the bridge deck to Los Angeles planned park below the viaduct. The bridge is designed to serve LA for the next 100 years and to remain undamaged and operational after a seismic event with a 1,000-year return period. This seismic performance was achieved by the development of a new seismic isolation methodology, requiring the development of new third-generation friction pendulum bearings. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the Sixth Street Viaduct Replacement as a 2024 OCEA Honor Award.